Warm spices season this tender shrimp, and then it's taken to a whole nother level with this sweet mango chutney. Garam masala shrimp with mango chutney on a bed of rice is beautiful and special enough for company, and easy to whip up too. Let's start with cooking up this sweet with a little heat style mango chutney. And for this, you can use fresh or frozen mango. Begin by bringing a small saucepan to a medium-low heat and throw in the poblano pepper, or a spicier pepper if you prefer, chopped fresh ginger and garlic, salt, and onions into the pot. Let it heat through and begin to soften, but not brown. Then add in the mango, lemon juice, raisins, and sugar. Stir it all together. Whoops, I forgot the vanilla. Now stir it all together and let it warm through. Then turn the heat to the lowest setting and let it continue to bubble and reduce while stirring from time to time. The longer you let it simmer, the more the flavors meld and the thicker the chutney will be. Once it cools, it'll thicken even more. Here, I let it simmer for about 2 hours. It can be served warm, at room temp, or cold, and you can make it a few days in advance without compromising its deliciousness. On to the shrimp. Just a handful of ingredients, and I begin by removing the tails, but feel free to leave them on if you prefer. Add ghee or softened butter and vanilla to the shrimp. Mix it all around well to coat the shrimp evenly. And then add the dry spices, garam masala, turmeric, salt, and chili powder. Stir that together with the shrimp. Then lay the seasoned shrimp out on a baking sheet in a single layer and pop in the oven to broil for about 2 minutes. And out they come, looking amazing. Before plating this up, we're going to add another easy layer of flavor. Heat ghee or butter in a pan. Then add cumin and black mustard seeds. Fry them until the mustard seeds begin to pop and the cumin has browned a bit. It only takes about a minute. Tempering the seeds like this adds warm spice and a little crunch. To plate the meal, start with a bed of rice, then a few spoonfuls of the mango chutney, a few tender, warmly spiced and buttery shrimp, top with a drizzle of the tempered seeds, and a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro. Not only are the flavors amazing in this beautiful dish, but with shrimp that take about 2 minutes to cook, this is easily one of my favorites. You can find the recipe for garam masala shrimp with mango chutney and many more recipes at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.